To think this would be us. Willow and Rusty, airband champs. 3 months ago, we hadn't even spoken the same language. I didn't know fear could wear an orange tail.
Try not to get caught next time.
And the school thought the cure was a partnership.
Woke up with the morning breeze, hearts aligned like rustling leaves. We plant the seeds.
He drops the can before it could drop him.
We all are free. Old scars fading in the sun, mended by the work we've done.
The forest caught him when no one else would. Sometimes courage looks like muddy footprints. Every offbeat was a question. Can you hear me? Every tail wag, an answer. I'm trying.
Let the river lead us home. Heal the land, heal our hearts. Every tree we plant will grow with every step.
So we kept trying and we kept healing.
Shine on, we've got the light inside. No fear, just let it fly. Be brave.
And when the lights hit, we weren't just playing music. We were becoming the Beavers we were meant to be.